everyone, welcome to today's video where we'll explore something new. In this video, I will be demonstrating how to install a free VPN on your computer or a laptop with Microsoft Windows. Stay tuned and watch the video until the end. If you are new to my channel, please do subscribe to my channel, PSX with Sakib. Before we begin, a disclaimer. This video is for tutorial purposes only. The use of VPN is your own responsibility. Let's dive into the video. First, let's understand why you should use VPN. The answer is simple. VPNs provide a secure and private network, bypass regional restrictions, allow anonymous browsing, provide access to secure networks remotely, help avoid internet censorship, and enable streaming or online gaming. First, ensure you have a computer or laptop running Microsoft Windows and a stable internet connection. Next, open your internet browser, such as Google Chrome or Microsoft Edge. Type PROTON VPN into the search bar and hit enter. Let's watch the step-by-step process together. Now that the download is complete, proceed with installing the software. Once installation is successful, you'll find the PROTON VPN shortcut on your desktop. Let's now see how to use the VPN. is how you can use 100% free VPN. Hope this works for you. Thanks for watching the video. Please do like, share and subscribe to my channel PSX with Sakib for more video content. Thank you.